I have a question. Do you guys invest like an angel investors just for the beginning business, like a SaaS base or any of product business?
Any business,
Who don't have-
technology business. What this is not, I'll clarify right now. This is not like I have $1 billion and whoever walks from the door, I say, okay, there you go. You take the money and you take it. Sometimes people think that I work that way. No. If you want my money, it's hard-earned cash I want to give you, but you would have to prove that your business is eligible for that you can either multiply my money or there would be a huge impact. So how does that happen? That happens with the business plan, the proposal, as well as the financial reporting, and I will go through everything. So it's not like I like one of you and I say, okay, there you go, that's my money. Like for example, you're looking for money. Do you have all the documents? So for example, you have business plan, you have proposal, you know 1 year how much growth you're expecting. If I give you money, what you're going to do with that? How much return I'm going to get? All these details need to be put in the business plan and proposals as well. Thank you very much.